Hey guys, I'm back for another video. Today I'm just gonna be doing kind of another Rubik's Cube related video. So, I think it was last week, I got a cube, carbon fiber cube. I just had to solve it because my brother messed it up. But I'm truly sorry that I forgot to record in Florida, so I don't have any Florida vlogs. I know I told you guys I would, so I'm so sorry. But today I'm just gonna be, I guess, telling you guys. It's not a talent, but it's something I'm really good at. So if someone scrambles a 2x2, I can solve it really good. Jackson, Hunter. Come here. One of you two. Scramble this since you love scrambling my Rubik's Cubes. Now do it in front of the camera. Hunter, do it in front of the camera. This is the one that scrambled my cube right here. So show them that you're mixing it up. And I'm out of the room. Tell me whenever you're done. Okay.
I just said my secret.
Are you done?
Uh-uh.
Oh, okay. Sitting behind my door. Tell me whenever you're done.
Done.
Okay, once I watch back through this video, Hunter, you gotta stay in here. Once I watch back through this video and I find out your secret.
All I said was my secret.
What's your secret?
Well, it's not really a secret.
In Florida, I wish I would have been recording, but in Florida, I solved a Rubik's Cubes. I solved I solved a Rubik's Cube in front of one of our waiters at IHOP.
Oh yeah.
What, did you like twist one of the corners or something?
No. I don't even know how.
Solved? So, Hunter, what did you tell them?
All I said was my secret.
What's your secret?
Oh, it's not really a secret.
What did you tell them?
All I said was my secret. That's all I said.
What's your secret?
It's not really a secret.
What did you tell them?
I was going to say, I tried not to line up like any of the blues or greens with each other. Yellow.
Okay, I'll just watch back through the video. Okay, stop doing that. Stop doing that.
Okay.
Okay, hey, Hunter. Hunter! Hunter! Can you go downstairs and get Mom or Dad to come up here and scramble it? I'm going to have one of my parents scramble this for me to solve. So if you guys want, I might be able to do this. I might be able to teach you how to solve a 2x2 if I get enough likes on this video. If I get 20 likes. If I get 20 likes on this video, I will do a 2x2 tutorial, how to solve a 2x2. 20 likes, okay? Yeah.
Did you need me?
Yeah.
What?
I want you to come scramble this 2x2. Once I hit 20 subscribers and I get 20 likes, I will teach you guys how to solve a 2x2. So you have to tell your friends about me, get 20 likes, and you get 20 subscribers. Hold on, let me solve this real quick. Okay, scramble this. Then you have to show the camera.
Oh, okay.
Scramble it in front of the camera.
Oh, what if I don't want to be on camera?
Do you not want to?
That's fine.
Okay.
I mean, I didn't do my hair or my makeup. Not that I wear makeup. Color. Okay.
You're done?
Goes for 3.
Mom, didn't I solve
Okay.
it in front of one of our waiters at IHOP?
Yes, you did.
Sorta. I wish I would have vlogged there, but I forgot.
I don't know.
I told them once if I get 20 likes on this video and if I get 20 subscribers, then I'll do a tutorial on how to solve it. I'm at like 17 or 18 right now.
And how many? 20?
Yeah, I need 20 to do a tutorial. Oh, whoops. I did the wrong thing. Crap. I messed it up. I did the wrong thing. Oops. I have to go through all the steps again. Never mind. This is going to be quick.
Booyah! Like, subscribe.
Comment on what I should do next. And I will see you guys in the next video. Peace out. Okay, guys, sorry, quick thing. If I do get 20 likes and 20 subscribers on this, if I get 20 subscribers, and if I get 20 likes on this video, I will do the 2x2 tutorial. And I just asked my mom. She said she'd be down to also do a video called teaching my mom how to solve a 2x2. So if you guys would be down for that, tell me in the like the video, get 20 likes, and get me 20 subscribers, and I will, the 2x2 tutorial and teaching my mom how to solve a 2x2. So do that, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out.